everyone, welcome back to my channel Beauty Secret by Samia. Hope you are doing great. So today I'm going to share with you a cream review. Watch on for more details. Biotique Advanced Ayurveda Bio Coconut Whitening and Brightening Cream. I hope this video is helpful to all, so don't forget to subscribe, like, comments and share with your family and friends. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, I'm saying that who is it for? Biotique Bio Coconut Whitening Cream is for you if you have any discoloration or you just want to repair the sun damage and honor your natural skin tone, or you wish to make your skin brighter. Now I'm saying that the packaging. The product comes in a top packaging, so there is no chance of any spillage. The top comes with a screw-on cap and a lid which covers the product. Somehow the packaging is unhygienic, but the top is cute looking. Now I'm saying that the texture, consistency and fragrance. The cream is white in color and quite dense. The cream is pretty thick and oily, but it spreads easily as it releases a good quantity of oil on spreading. The cream is lightly fragranced and smells somewhat like almonds and coconuts mixed together to me. The cream has a very subtle fragrance, though, so you won't notice much of it. And this luxurious cream is blended with extracts of pure virgin coconut, dandelion and mangista to fade out dark spots and blemishes with regular use. Skin is noticeably fairer and smoother and brighter. This is Biotique claims for Biotique Bio Coconut Whitening and Brightening Cream. Now I'm saying that's my experience. This cream is really very moisturizing and very hydrating, and it softens your skin and it brightens your skin tone and it provides a natural healthy looking glow. But this cream is perfect for normal to dry skin people. Dry to excessive dry, this cream is perfect for you. But for oily skin people, I don't advise this because it makes your skin even more oily and may lead to breakouts. For dry skin people, it gives your skin a healthy glow and makes it creamy and soft touch. You can also use it under your makeup. It gives a good dewy finish. So would I repurchase or recommend this product? Well, I would only recommend this as a night cream that dry skin people and is perfect for during winters, because otherwise the formula is too heavy and oily for dry skin. Now I'm saying that how to use this cream. Clean your face and pat dry. Apply small quantity of cream on cleansed face and neck. Gently massage into skin. And before you use this product, patch test is needed.